Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about UKG workforce, how to request time off, alright, how you can do this. So requesting time off in UKG workforce is a straightforward process that can be completed through various methods. The first method is accessing the request time off feature. Now we have to go to this website, so you can just go to the website here, right? The first one is you can see here that requesting time off will be complete using my time off title in the home page. So you have to go there in my time off title, select the appropriate reason. For the reason drop down, select the appropriate date by clicking the calendar on, click submit. In the my time off tile, click advanced option. It will look like this. Select the calendar icon to the date section, click to remove the current date, then click the day off to the applicable request. The date selected will show highlighted in blue. Note it will auto select the current date here, so make sure you select the appropriate date here. Now click on click apply. In the duration, select click hours and complete the start hours and end hours here. Now select the application level, applicable leave from the deduct from season, and in the time of request window, click add to create additional request or click submit to submit request for approval. Click done to close the request time off window. So this is how you can do it. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.